Modern method of unit conversion. For example, kilometer to mile and mile to kilometer, vice versa. Modern method of unit conversion because you calculate the conversion to any conversion factors. So here we go. Conversion factors. 37 miles is equal to 59.54558 kilometers. So, our formula vice versa. To find kilometer is kilometer miles times 59.54558 kilometers over 37. And to find miles is kilometer times 37 mile over 59.54558 kilometers. So exercises. 9 kilometers convert to miles. And to find miles is kilometer times 37 mile over 59.54558 kilometer. So baba, mile, 9 kilometer times 37 miles over 59.54558 kilometer. So baba, miles, 333 miles over 59.54558. So equals 5.59235463 miles. So 9 kilometers is equal to 5.59235463 miles. So checking 5.59235463 miles convert to kilometer. And to find kilometer is mile times 59.54558 kilometer over 37 miles. So baba, kilometers, 5.59235463 mile times 59.54558 kilometers over 37 miles. So miles over miles, so cancel ang miles at maiwan ang kilometer. So continue. Kilometer, 333 kilometer over 37. So equals 9 kilometers. So 9 kilometers, so 5.592354 miles is equal to 9 kilometers. So another conversion factor na naman yon. So another conversion factor. 9 kilometers is equal to 5.59235463 miles. So another formula vice versa. To find kilometer is mile times 9 kilometer over 5.59235463 mile. And to find miles is mile, kilometer times 5.59235463 mile over 9 kilometer. So, vice versa ang formula. Exercises. Reverse calculation. Baliktarin natin ang conversion, ang equation. 37 miles convert to kilometers. And to find kilometers is mile times 9 kilometers over 5.59235463 miles. So baba, kilometers. 37 miles times 9 kilometers over 5.59235463 miles. So miles over miles, so cancel. at maiwan ang kilometer. So baba, 333 kilometers over 5.59235463 is equal to 59.54558 kilometers. So 37 miles is equal to 59.54558 kilometers. So nagtugma ang ating reverse equation. So checking 59.54558 kilometers convert to miles. And to find miles is kilometer times 5.59235463 miles over 9 kilometers. So baba, 59.54558 kilometers times 5.59235463 miles over 9 kilometers. So kilometers over kilometers, so cancel ang kilometers at maiwan ang miles. So continue. Miles. 333 miles over 9. Again, miles. 333 miles over 9. So equals 37 miles. So 59.54558 kilometers is equal to 37 miles. No? Kahit nagbaliktad ay magtugma pa rin sila. So, yun lang at maraming salamat.